Well, it happened. So what we were expecting, in fact, is our new reality. So the Fed, in the last 30 minutes, the information started coming out that the Federal Reserve, is going to raise the base interest rate 75 basis points, which was what we were expecting. We are going to take this as good news, and the fact that they didn't raise it 100 basis points. I think 100 basis points would have sent the markets, careening down a pretty steep path. I'm talking about the stock market and the crypto market. And right here, we're about 30 to 40 minutes as of the recording this video into the information being out that the Fed is raising this base interest rate 75 basis points. And interestingly enough, Bitcoin is up about 6% and Ethereum is up 12%. Okay. And all the other altcoins are rallying pretty nicely. So interesting. So what I'm going to do is continue to watch what's going on today to see how this all unfolds, because we might have a walking back of these gains that we're getting today. I'm taking this as good news, and I'm taking it as part of the narrative that I've been talking about in my videos, in that this 75 basis point raise that the Fed just did today was already assumed that that's what the Fed was going to do, meaning that the crypto market had assumed that that's what was going to come. And there was a little bit of volatility yesterday, but today it's been in the green all day, before the Fed decision came down. And now we're 30, 45 minutes after the Fed decision. We're even more in the green right now. So it tells me that people are, retail investors and institutional money is shaking off this 75 basis point raise right here, right now, moving forward, and we're good. Now, we got one more thing, okay? The GDP report comes out tomorrow, the gross domestic product report for the second quarter for the United States. Okay, this is a big report that's going to show where our economy, if it's growing or constricting. Now, in Q1, it was not in a growth mode. I'm not expecting Q2 for it to be in a growth mode. In fact, the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, just came out and gave a global annualized number saying that the global economic growth was going to drop from about 6.1 to about 3.2. So that's on a kind of a global scale. So you can take America, United States, as a subset of that, and most likely we're looking at probably Q2 GDP report being not very good. That's tomorrow. Okay, so we might have a walk back of crypto prices tomorrow. But right here, right now, nobody's really thinking about that. You can look in your account. You can look at, market indices for crypto. Everything's up. Everything's looking good. So I'm going to keep an eye on it for you. But I want to let you know that it happened. And this is where we're at. But we got one more barrier, and that's tomorrow, the GDP report. After tomorrow, we've got a housing report coming out in the near future. It's going to give us a glimpse into the housing market, which could have an impact on crypto. But then the Federal Reserve does not meet again until the end of September, okay? So we're getting a little bit of a break from the Fed, meaning they're not going to meet in August. They're going to meet in September. So we get a little bit of a runway there. So that's it. Have a good one. Go make some money. I'll see you. Bye.